Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
20 idioms and expressions associated with word red. Like and subscribe to the channel. Paint the town red. Meaning, to go out and have a wild, carefree, and festive time, often involving parties, celebrations, or revelry. Examples: it's your birthday tonight. Let's go out and paint the town red. We'll make it a night to remember. During the holiday season, the streets were alive with music, lights, and people out to paint the town red together. Red hot. Meaning, something is extremely popular, intense, or trending in the moment. Examples: her new book is red hot. Everyone's talking about it. After winning the lottery, he felt like his luck was red hot. Red in the face. Meaning, to become embarrassed. The redness that appears on someone's face in such situations. Examples: he was red in the face after realizing he had made a mistake during the presentation. She got so angry at the meeting that she turned red in the face while arguing. Red tape. Meaning, refers to excessive bureaucracy or rigid rules and regulations that cause delays or hinder progress. Example: he gave up on renovating his house because the building permits required too much red tape to obtain. Red carpet treatment. Meaning, giving someone special or VIP treatment, usually with great respect, honor, or luxury, as though they are a celebrity or an important guest. Examples: the hotel staff gave us the red carpet treatment when they heard it was our anniversary. The luxury cruise line promises to deliver the red carpet treatment to all its passengers. Red eye. Meaning, an overnight flight that departs late in the evening and arrives early the next morning. It's called red eye because passengers often end up with red, tired eyes due to lack of sleep. Example: I had to take the red eye from Los Angeles to New York to make it to the morning meeting. Red letter day. Meaning, a special, memorable, or significant day that stands out due to something positive or celebratory. The term originates from the historical practice of marking important dates on calendars in red ink, such as holidays or feast days. Example: the day she graduated from college was a red letter day in her life. Roll out the red carpet. Meaning, to give someone a special, warm, and grand welcome, often with great respect and honor. Example: the luxury resort knows how to roll out the red carpet for its guests with first-class service. To be in the red. Meaning, to be operating at a financial loss, or to owe more money than one possesses. To have an overdraft, be in debt to your bank, or owe an institution some money. Example: after overspending on their credit card, they found themselves in the red and struggling to pay it off. To be out of the red. Meaning, no longer be in debt or experiencing financial losses. To be out of debt. Example: thanks to increased sales during the holiday season, the store managed to get out of the red by the end of the year. To be shown the red card. Meaning, being dismissed, punished, or excluded for unacceptable behavior. After violating company policies, the employee was effectively shown the red card and let go. The controversial remark caused the politician to be shown the red card by voters in the next election. To see red. Meaning, to become extremely angry or enraged, often suddenly. Examples: He started to see red when someone insulted his family. The boss started to see red when the team missed another deadline. Was my face red? Meaning, it typically conveys embarrassment or awkwardness. The speaker is reflecting on a moment when they felt particularly humiliated, flustered, or caught off guard, often accompanied by blushing. Example: when I realized I had been talking to the wrong person for 5 minutes, was my face red? A red flag. Meaning, refers to a warning sign or indication of danger, trouble, or a potential problem. Example: seeing spelling mistakes in the contract was a red flag that the deal might not be legitimate. Blood red. Meaning, used to describe the deep red color of something. Example: she was wearing a beautiful cocktail dress with blood red lipstick to match. Catch someone red-handed. Meaning, to catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal, with undeniable evidence. Examples: the thief was caught red-handed trying to steal jewelry from the store. She was caught red-handed cheating during the exam when the teacher saw her notes. Beet red. Meaning, refers to someone's face turning a deep flushed red, much like the color of a beet, typically due to embarrassment, anger, or physical exertion. Example: he was so furious that his face turned beet red during the argument. A red flag to a bull. Meaning, to describe something that provokes extreme anger or irritation in someone. Example: bringing up politics at the dinner table is always like a red flag to a bull with my family. Red-blooded. Meaning, describes someone who is full of vigor, passion, or strong feelings, often associated with masculinity or enthusiasm. Examples: he's a red-blooded sports fan who never misses a game. As a red-blooded fan of rock music, she travels across the country to attend concerts. Red herring. Meaning, an unimportant matter that misleads everyone and draws attention from the main subject. Examples: don't let that argument about budget cuts be a red herring. The real issue is mismanagement. During the debate, she introduced an irrelevant statistic as a red herring to confuse her opponent. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,